let's take a $300,000 house that we're going to go buy. That's what our mortgage is going to be. Forget about what we're putting down. It doesn't matter. And we're going to pay that mortgage off over 360 months, 30 years. Okay. Yep. Normal 30-year mortgage, right? And we're going to say 5%. Okay. Don't worry that you can't get a 5% loan. It's just, look, we use round numbers to make stuff easy. Okay. Yep. So if you had a $300,000 mortgage for 30 years, 360-month amortization, 5%, your payment would be $1,610.46.
Okay.
All right. And that sounds pretty good, right? And that's what they're going to tell you. Hey, you got a 5%, man. That's lower than the going rate right now. But if I take that $1,610 and I pay it for 360 months,
yep,
I pay in $579,767. Just call it $580, right?
Okay. All right.
Okay. So, Nick, that means that for 30 years, that 48% of that, every dollar that I pay goes to the bank's benefit or interest, their best interest, right? And 52 cents goes to my benefit. Okay. So wait a minute. You earn $1. You got to give me 48 cents, or I'm sorry. Yeah. You got to give me 48 cents and you get to keep 52 cents over 30 years. 30 years. Do you care what your interest rate is?
Nope.
No. If I said, hey, I'm going to lower that to 4%, now only 47.5% of everything you pay me. I mean, would you go, oh, well, I feel a lot better about that. Look at my interest rate. I'm getting 4. That's way below market.
And you'd convert that for me for free too, right? Like,
absolutely, I would convert that because, and you don't understand. This is coming again, right? This is coming again. The banks are smart. You're going to get all these people loans at 5, 6, 7%. Interest rates are going to drop. Then they're going to come to you and say, Nick, you know what? You've been a great customer of the bank. We'd love to offer you 4% on this loan now. And you say, 4%, man, that's good. I was paying 6. And look, you don't have to put any money in it, Nick. We're just going to go ahead and you've already been approved. We're just going to start this amortization over again. You've been in it for 5 years. Now, why would they do that, Nick?
Because they know something we don't.
They know that in the first 5 years, 85% goes to their benefit and 15% goes to your benefit. They're not happy with the 48% going to their benefit, 48% volume of interest. They want 85 or better.